Today, I'm gonna go see the tallest tree in England.
Oh, it's warm, man. It's fucking warm. Yo, look at that. That looks sick. The sun has just gone over the hill, about to disappear. Lovely sunset to start the trip. Oh shit, you know what we're here for. And now, it's time to adventure. I'm really excited for this. I love a good tree. We've already seen the oldest tree in England, and that was sick. We actually got inside the oldest tree in England. So, now the tallest tree. Shit, man. Here we are. That right there is the tallest tree in England. 60 meters. That is crazy. 197 feet. Obviously, you can't really tell how tall it is. It just is ridiculous. But all of these ones around it are pretty mad. Trees around here are just crazy in general. It's called the Tall Tree Trail. There's a lot to admire here, more than just numero uno. But what a beast. Looking forward to viewing that tomorrow, man. That would be dope. Not a hollow tree, is it? It's pretty wide, but to be honest, if you just look to the base, it's nothing insane. We've got lots of forest around us to choose from. So I'm gonna go on a little stroll and find a nice place to hammock up. Windy, but it's really warm though. Look how windy it is. You'd think it'd be cold, but it's really not. Sick. You wouldn't be able to tell, but I hiked to the top of the valley to find a spot so that we could sleep somewhere where it's a bit flat, because it was pretty steep on the side. So if we wake up in time, we should see a nice sunrise, because I can see the horizon from all sides from up here, which is nice. We're back. Good morning. It was a little bit chilly last night. Met office said it was only going to go down to 15 degrees. My thermometer said it was 10. I was slightly underprepared. I didn't have a jumper, but we made it through the night. Now we got to go down this steep shit. Tall trees around here. Steep fucking hills as well. Somehow we need to get down to the bottom of this. This is what I'd describe as treacherous terrain, to say the least. Fucking hell. I'm standing on a massive pile of rotting wood. Whoa. Literally skidding down this fucking hill, it's so steep. Ooh. Fuck. Oh. Fucking hell. I'm always doing that to myself. Never understand how I can navigate all that stuff in the dark. Come down in the morning like, I'm struggling to do this in the daytime. How the fuck did I do it at night time last night? Man, look at these trees. The tall trees need water to grow. Each tree needs hundreds of litres a day to survive. Wow. Look at these, man. Serious trees. This one right here is a pretty normal sized width tree, but it just goes and goes and goes and goes. So amazing. This is such a cool place. A stream in a steep valley with really nice little bridges and chairs, surrounded by the tallest trees in the country. And the big boy right here, the tallest tree in England. I know we were here last night, but look at that. Over 60 meters. All the way up there. That's incredible. The tall trees' roots bind the soil and stop erosion. In return, the soil provides all the nutrients trees need. So the tallest tree in England is called Douglas fir. Hi, Doug. Give us a hug. There we go. I hugged Doug. I hugged the tallest tree in England. Now it's time to get Doug with high. Sick, man. Tallest tree in England. Ticked off. Dunzo. Love it. Look at this. Just stumbled on a little play area. Nice. Gonna chill here for a little bit. Damn. Beautiful. This is so cool. The valleys here are really steep. That's been a consistent theme. Serious pine cones. That's a nice specimen. Kind of dangerous walks around these parts. Gotta be careful where you step. I want to head down there.